channel. Today, the main thing we are doing today is making slime. I can consider myself kind of like a pro on making slime. And so today we're going to be making some. So the first thing that we're doing is we're going to try to get some of this glue out. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a popsicle stick out. Let me make sure. Okay, so let me try to get this out. So now that I got some water in here, I'm just going to close the lid and shake it up for a bit. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like. And now we're just going to mix. So you can use really any activator you want. You can use contact solution, you can use gain, a lot of different ones. My personal favorite is Tide. Just gonna pour a little into the lid. And make sure you don't pour too much at a time. And as you can see, it's starting to like clump up. It's kind of like gloopy and all that stuff coming off of the sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the table.
Now you have to knead it.
And it's super nice. I'll be back when the slime's ready. Oh! Okay guys, so it's finally done. And I must say, it's pretty good. So I must say, it's pretty good. It's really glittery. Okay, ASMR time. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Okay guys, so thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. I love the slime, and bye guys!